What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Wezalfish. Today I have a special one for you. We're in the Ranger, we're fishing for walleye again, but it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fishing fathers out there. So today I'm with my dad, I'm with my brother. If you don't know my brother, he's actually Sports Pro TV. If you don't recognize him, maybe this clip will remind you of him.
Hey guys, it's Sports Pro TV here.
Well, if you still don't recognize him, he wasn't really that famous anyways. Let's get to it. Let's get on the water, catch some fish. Get this one on camera for you though. Don't lose. Fish. The heck?
Doesn't count.
What do you mean doesn't count? It's a fish, ain't it?
Huh?
It's a fish, ain't it?
No.
Barely. That looks like a picky.
No.
No? Oh, he's running. Spiraling. Digging. Big sheep. Oh, what do you got on? There you go. Feels like the right flavor, I think. Yep. Thanks. Going in the well.
What the heck are you waiting for?
See what it is.
Put them down on the wall.
There's two. Pass me the pliers or no? Tiny, tiny, tiny. See ya. Something that?
Oh. Yeah, bro.
All right. Insert cricket sound here.
Huh?
Oh, big sheep. You got the babies figured out. Did you figure that out by the hours too? Saw that line twitch.
Better one.
Yeah. Lose him? You're gone, remember? 2 fish for that. I didn't really need the net for that. He looked bigger in the water. Tiny guy. You're not coming up. You're staying on. Good fish. Good fish. All right. Ooh, that's better. Finally all set. There we go. A little better fish. Get this one on camera for you, Nub. Don't lose him.
Here's the net if you want it. Yeah, I will. No, I don't.
Haha, sheephead.
Ooh, that's gonna be rough.
Oh.
Donkey. Come here,
It's a sheep, not a donkey. Wrong animal. So, how's floor carving life?
Good fish from what I like, yeah.
Yeah.
You need to be closer to the edge of the channel.
You're not gonna get much closer than this when I hit the pool. Did I hook in this?
Okay. Isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That might be a sturgeon. Chances are. Here we go.
Possibly.
Oh, he's coming up, is he?
Yeah. It might be a gigantic fish. Maybe not.
That was like a smaller size sturgeon the way he's running. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Kind of flash him. I don't know where he is.
Yeah, another fish first is nice.
Big sheep. Jeez, that'll win that money, eh? Right. Jeez. Holy cow, this thing is heavy. Oh. Holy. That's a big sheephead. You think it was bigger than yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice fish. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Can you get me closer to the edge?
Yeah, we're way off. I lost 3 fish.
Try this. There we go. Adios. So how many fish you catch today?
About 22.
That's gonna be a score in golf. 22 over.
Under.
No. All right, and we're back home. I don't know how many we ended up catching today. There's quite a few fish caught. A lot of small ones, none of the big ones, but we brought home 6 anyways. Still a great day on the water. I want to show you guys what I'm using. I'm using a 5/8 ounce jig head with a brown Wyandotte worm. Now if you notice, it is a little bit cut off there. Now I wanted to use a smaller profile because of the cold front that just came through about 2 days ago. I think that smaller profile really helped out in with the walleye we're biting. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you out there on the water. Please like, please subscribe. See you next time.